Hey there! If you've been feeling achy, tired, or just a little off lately, you're not alone. Chronic inflammation can sneak up on anyone, and it's linked to everything from joint pain to digestive issues. But the good news? You can actually fight inflammation with the food you eat. Today, I'm sharing 7 anti-inflammatory foods you absolutely need to try, starting right now. First up, turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for curries. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse when it comes to calming inflammation. Try adding a sprinkle to soups or blend it into a warm latte for a soothing twist. Next on the list, berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins. They help protect your cells and keep your immune system in fighting shape. I love tossing a handful on my morning oatmeal or into a smoothie. Number 3, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that help fight inflammation at the source. Sauté them with a little olive oil or just toss them fresh into your salad bowl. Speaking of olive oil, that's our 4th food. Extra virgin olive oil is full of healthy fats and polyphenols, which actually work like nature's own anti-inflammatories. Use it as your go-to salad dressing base or drizzle it over roasted veggies. Let's talk about fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, proven to reduce inflammation and support heart health. Aim for 2 servings a week, maybe grilled or baked with your favorite herbs. Number 6, walnuts. These crunchy little nuts are a fantastic source of plant-based omega-3s and other anti-inflammatory compounds. Snack on a handful or chop them up and sprinkle over yogurt or salads for a satisfying crunch. And finally, ginger. This spicy root is more than just a flavor booster. It's loaded with bioactive compounds that soothe inflammation and even support digestion. Try grating some into tea or adding it to stir-fries for a little kick. So, why does this matter? Chronic inflammation can affect your mood, energy, and even your long-term health. But by simply adding these 7 foods to your daily meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal from the inside out. Remember, small changes add up. Start with 1 or 2 of these foods and notice how you feel. Your healing truly starts with what you eat. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Here's to feeling your best every single day.